This is what I do to get a perfect ear of corn. I did hand pollinate them with the tassels. I'll show you what that looked like in a bit. I'm gonna cut down that head. This looks like the tallest corn stalk, so I'm gonna get it from that one, and then I'll show you how it's done. Alright, I cut it down. So typically corn is wind pollinated, and that's why they are usually grown close to each other, best in a square, they say, because whatever wind direction it is, it will pollinate each other. But each strand has to be pollinated to create a viable kernel that makes it tasty. So I'm going to try to just brush these and get as much pollen on them as possible. That is such a pretty color, by the way. I just want to dye their hair that color. It's so funny. Just brush it on. Be a little mini one. Oh, it looks so funny. It's like those little roosters or chickens with funny hair. Okay. Let's get all of them. So I heard that the pollen has to travel down the silk onto each kernel to create a juicy kernel of corn. So hopefully that gives us good results, better than the other corn stalks that I had. Yeah.